So I removed these vents. These are like air intake vents for like the HVAC filter from here, because I noticed my air was kind of gross, and I vacuumed out under here, tried to clean as much as I could, all that stuff. And now I am remeasuring because my trim, my old trim in the house was like this, was like almost 2 inches thick. And now I've put in 5.5 inches because it looks better around the house and, you know, whatever. So my trim is gonna come up to here, and my vents that I have are currently too big, so I have to get new vents. I have to rip out some drywall and reframe a little. So today we are going to sand this down just so it's level. I'm not gonna make it pretty. And I'm gonna add the trim to it. Now it's time for caulking, like filling in these little spots. This is gonna be a pretty big gap. I could not get this very level. Caulking is like an art form. I really love doing it. It's kind of good at it. So basically just like fills in cracks. Clearly, I didn't do that ever when I first bought my house. So I gotta fill that in, but yeah. Let it dry, and you paint. Here's the finished product. The reason I put them up is because air returns. I want to suck air straight and up as opposed to down, because when it was down, it was creating a lot of debris going in there and lots of doggy hair.